In the toughest environments, machines can fail. And when they do, downtime isn't just frustrating, it can cost everything. One machine stops, systems freeze, the workflow halts, the clock keeps ticking. This is the moment when reliability matters most. When failure is not an option. JLT Mobile Computers. Established in 1994 in Sweden, we've been powering the toughest industries for more than 3 decades. Our mission? Build computers and workstations that endure dust, vibration, extreme temperatures, and rough handling. Devices that don't just survive, they perform every single shift. Because we know downtime is costly, every second counts. From construction sites and warehouses to ports and factories, our computers keep operations moving. Today, operations keep flowing, decisions are made instantly, and productivity continues, no matter how extreme the environment. Back online in minutes, not hours. That is the JLT difference. You need JLT, built to endure, built to perform.